Hello, good day everyone. This arithmetic was sent to me by one of my top fans in Facebook in person of Dia, and I decided to post it on my Facebook page. But to my surprise, so many people are posting different answers because of their different perception about the question. So now let us look on to the real solution to this problem. We have negative 27 raised to the power of 3 power negative 1 divided by 25 raised to the power of negative 2 power negative 1 plus 4th root of negative 4 power 4. 3 raised to the power of negative 1 can be written as 1 over 3 from loss of indices. Negative 27 power 1 over 3 divided by negative 2 power negative 1 can also be written as negative 1 over 2. 25 raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus, we can simplify this from here. The index of our root and index of our number are exactly the same. So this index will cancel this root automatically. But the index of our root is even. Once you have an even index, the output must be positive. So we have absolute value of negative 4. Any number power 1 over 3 is the same thing as cube root of that number. So we have negative times the cube root of 27 divided by. To get rid of this negative sign, we can write it as 1 over 25 to the power of 1 over 2, which is the same thing as square root of 25 from loss of indices, plus absolute value of negative 4 is 4. Cube root of 27 is 3, but we have negative sign. Negative 3 divided by square root of 25 is 5, so we have 1 over 5 plus the last term 4. This is equal to negative 3. We can change this to multiplication and take the reciprocal of this. You flip it over, you get 5 over 1, which is the same thing as 5, plus 4. This is equal to negative 3 times 5 is negative 15, plus 4. Negative 15 plus 4 is negative 11, and hence our final answer is negative 11. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos.